Hi guys, so today I'll be doing an Indian wedding guest makeup look tutorial. So let's get into the video. So first I'll take my Patanjali aloe vera gel and I'll moisturize my face. This gel is also gonna work as a primer for my makeup, and this is an amazing gel. I quite love this gel. Next I'll take my Joy Ultra Look Skin Finish Foundation and I'll apply it all over my face with the spatula. And now I'm gonna blend the foundation with a flat top foundation brush. Then I'll take a damp beauty blender and I'm gonna buff and bounce the beauty blender on my face. Then I'll take my ADS 2-in-1 concealer and I'll conceal and highlight my face. I'm highlighting my under eye area and my T-zones. And also I'm doing a sort of a reverse contouring with that highlighting shade. Then I'm gonna set my concealer and the rest of my face with my MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder. Then I'll take my Miss Rose Professional Makeup Palette and I'll take a light brown medium shade and I'll deposit in my crease area. And I'm gonna go in swiping and blending motion all over my crease. Then I'm taking a deeper brown shade and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes to intensify my crease. And I'm gonna blend it towards my crease area. Then I'll taking that shimmery metallic bronzy shade from my Miss Claire palette. Again I'll jump to my Miss Rose palette and I'll take that glittery same metallic color shade and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. For further intensification of my eyes, I'll take that powdery shade, that metallic shade from the my Miss Claire palette and apply it all over my lid area, and I'm gonna highlight my inner corners. Then I'm taking this ADS eyebrow powder and I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows with the same powder. You should always fill in your brows with a brown powder, like this gives you a more natural look. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. I'll draw a wing eyeliner, a precise wing eyeliner with the same ADS gel eyeliner. This gel eyeliner is really amazing, quite pigmented, gives you a matte look, stays on your eyes for a really long time, so quite amazing. Next I'll curl my lashes with my Vega eyelash curler and I'm gonna use the half and half mascara and I'll give 2 coats of mascara to my upper and my bottom lashes. Then I'll bronze up my face with the ADS Bahama Mama bronzer. This bronzer gonna give me a chiseled and sun-kissed look. Then I'm gonna apply my ADS blush in the shade number 4 on the apples of my cheek. Then I'll take my Kiss Beauty Perfect Stay 24 Hours highlighter. This highlighter is like lipbalm.com. I just love this highlighter. Just see the effect of this highlighter. This is really amazing, guys, and this is also really affordable and just like worth the money. I just love this highlighter. Very pigmented, really nice, amazing highlighter. I'm just highlighting the usual areas. Next, I'll take my ADS lipstick. This is a kind of pinkish nude color. The shade name, I'm gonna mention it on the screen, or else I'll mention it in the description box so you can check that out. So this is a really nice lipstick, but because my outfit is not like that nude color outfit, so I wanted some bling on my lips, as like eyes are really subtle, not that dramatic. So I'm topping up with my Miss Claire lipstick. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and if you enjoyed watching it, then don't forget to hit on that like button. Do subscribe to my channel. Also click on that bell icon to stay notified for my further future videos. And till then, you can follow me on my social medias. The link for the same will be given in the description box, so you can check that out. And do share my video with your friends and family, guys. This will really mean a lot to me. So I'm sharing 3 looks how you can flaunt this look with 3 different hairstyles. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll meet you in my next one.